Now students, for exercise 3.2 we have to see method to solve pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, there are two methods, first graphical, second algebraic method. So as we know, the pair of linear equation in general a1 upon a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, so for graphical method we have to compare the coefficients of both the equations like a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. For that we have to take one examples to show how can take the ratio of their coefficients, like 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. On comparing the coefficient of x and y like a1 upon a2, so just to see from the equation 2 upon 3, that is a1 upon a2. a1 is 2 from first equation, a2 is 3 from second equation. On comparing b1 and b2, it will be 3 upon 4. Now you see both the values are unequal, it means they are not equal. So in graphical method, first case can be written like a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 are not equal. If a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 are not equal, if a pair of linear equation, and then you see when you draw graph on the graph paper, you will see both the lines, means both the linear equations, they will intersect each other at any one point. So the lines will be intersecting lines, and at one place they intersect, and the solution will be only one solution will be formed. Okay, this solution can be said like that, unique solution also, only one solution can be formed. Okay, in intersecting line. If any pair of linear equation having at least one solution, they are consistent, for consistent at least one solution is required. Now for second method, second case, in second case we have taken second example like 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. It's a pair of linear equation. On comparing a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. So a1 upon a2 means 2 upon 4 and b1 upon b2 3 upon 6 and c1 upon c2 is here 4 upon 8. So in second case, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, if these ratios of coefficients are same, now you can see in the examples 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, both the ratios having 1 upon 2, it means a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, they are equal. In this case, when you represent this pair of linear equation on the graph paper, you will see both the lines coincident, means both the lines lie on the same line. One line is lie on the second line, means they are consistent. Oh sorry, they are coincident lines. If one line is lie another line, they are coincident line. Actually both the lines having so many points, it means infinitely many solutions can be formed. Okay, and as we know, when pair of linear equations are consistent, if the solutions is at least one, but here so many solutions, it means it is also consistent. Okay, now come in third case. In third case, I have taken two examples. One example is like that, 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, 6x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. On comparing their coefficients like 3 upon 6, 2 upon 4 and minus 4 upon 9, you can see 3 upon 6 can be reduced 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4 can be reduced 1 upon 2. In this case you can see a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2, they are equal, but they are not equal to c1 upon c2. a1 upon a2 can be written 1 upon 2, b1 upon b2 can be written 1 upon 2 and C1 upon C2 is here minus 4 upon 9. It means in third case A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. In this case, if the coefficients are written in the form of like A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 and not C1 upon C2, in this case both the lines represented on the graph paper are parallel. They are parallel line and they will not meet each other anywhere. It means there is no solutions can be formed. Okay, so in solution there is no solutions can be formed from these two pair of line, and it is inconsistent. For consistent, at least one solution is required, as you know very well. Okay, that's all.